12 senatorial candidates of the administration slate were present during Tuesday's kick-off campaign rally. Supporters who attended the rally were in for a treat from singers Sherin Rehis and Bugoy Drilon, among others. But the crowd went wild when Andrew E. performed. Before the program, several candidates shared their priority bills once elected.
Ang napaka-importante ay makapagbigay po tayo ng libreng gamot para sa ating mga senior citizens na kinakailangan po ang maintenance medicines.
As a member of the Alyansa, isa po yung goal namin to make laws, magpasa ng batas para sa ekonomiya, ikagaganda po ng ekonomiya.
Yung partido namin, yung NPC, kaya kami sumama sa Alyansa is because we wanted to support the programs of the President. Kaya wala nang babagay pang kick-off kundi dito sa Ilocos Norte.
It was a chance for Ilocanos to know the administration slate. Ilocos Norte Representative and presidential son Sandro Marcos was also present as he introduced his father, President Bongbong Marcos.
Bagamat nakatuon ang pansin natin sa ating mga kandidato para sa Senado, huwag po natin kaligtaan ang halos 18,200 na local executive na ating ihahalal sa Mayo. Nabanggit ko po ito dahil may pagmamalaki ng alyansa na kami lang ang may kumpletong ticket mula sa senador hanggang sa sangguniang bayan ng pinakamaliit na bayan ng buong Pilipinas.
Zandro Ochona, Billionaire News Channel.